Alright guys, welcome back to my vlog today again in the streets of Prague, and I will be testing 24mm lens 1.8 from Panasonic. Of course, you can see so many vlogs about it, so many reviews and so on, but I will use this more likely for picture photography, for stills. I'm not that much interested in shooting the video because you can shoot a video with anything. I'm using S5iix, and this will be my still camera also today, so it will be combined picture with also this GoPro 8 24mm lens, and yeah, that's basically it. Wish me luck if I will find strangers who will be able and who will be brave enough to photoshoot with me, and let's go. I shot so many amazing pictures in the same environment or very similar environment with completely different moods, different people, very young people, very open-minded people. This is why it really makes sense to do this project. Also to test different lenses, because everybody I'm approaching is very approachable actually. They are very brave, they're like, okay, why not, let's do the pictures. You should also try it. First of all, you will find new people, you will find different generations, and also you will learn the skills how to just approach people and don't be afraid. Don't bite, like most of them. Like, be careful about it. And well, let me move on. I'm very happy about the results so far. What about you? In the comments below. That will be very funny.
This is from France.
Okay. Yes, Britain.
Cider from Britain.
Perfect. Put it down and put them like yes, like they are fold. No, normally fold them down.
Oh, pull it down.
Like they are like randomly fallen.
Sorry?
You speak English?
Little.
A little bit. I'm a photographer.
No.
I'm shooting random people. You look beautiful. I'm doing it for free. I will send you the pictures for free.
Allez.
Yes?
Okay.
I'm Jan. Nice to meet you.
Margot.
Margot, nice to meet you. Margot, where are you from?
Belgium.
Belgium. It's almost over of my trip today, and I must say and really admit that 24 focal length, 24mm, it's not my favorite thing for photography in general, in my opinion. And that the reason is I'm not trying too much. I already did some portraits with it, but it's much easier to shoot portraits in general with the people you know than with the strangers with the focal length you're not having in the hands, and especially this one, which is very wide, even though they are even wider, where you cannot like dictate random people like what to do. And in my opinion, this is a creative lens. You might be and can be, I think you should be very creative with the opportunities with the wide lens and this fish eye effect, what it really offers, which you cannot do with strangers too much because they are not that willing. You know, you're lucky at some point that they will do some poses that they feel comfortable with you, but to do crazy stuff, model like not really expect them, even though I have some very nice results from today. I really thank everybody who helped me to achieve this today, and I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. What I want to say about this focal length in general from Panasonic, it's a fast lens, it's very, very fast. It's sharp in my opinion. It's very, very light like all this series, and this really helps because also this is approachable camera for shooting random people with it. In general, I don't know what the picture is because I feel like I'm in the shade. I should do this like I'm telling all of them. And yeah, write me in the comments below how you enjoy this vlog, if it makes sense for you to make it, and follow me on my social media, buy me a coffee if you like what I'm doing. And I hope I get you a little bit inspired, and maybe I see you on the streets of Prague, Bucharest, or somewhere else. You never know with me. And I see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. I'm Peter McKinnon, so what? No, I'm not. I wish. Bye.